गॅस पायपलायन घालपा खातीर हाडिल्ल्या प्लास्टीक पायपांची चोरी अनवळखी मनशान केल्ल्याची कागाळ वेर्णा पुलिशेन केल्ल्यान बेरेस्तारा दीस वेर्णा पुलिशेन 3 जाणांक पुलीस कादयेन घाल्यात. तांणी चोरपा खातीर वापरिल्ल्यो 2 रिक्षा सयत एक मशीन पुलिशेन जप्त केला. एकाक 7 दिसांचो रिमांड घेतला जाल्यार दोगांक 2 दिसांचो रिमांड घेतिल्ल्याची म्हायती वेर्णा पुलीस निरीक्षक मोहन गावडेन दिल्या.
We have received complaint from Mr. Jivnesh Kumar informing that they have kept an underlying gas pipe near the MES college of worth ₹7,50,000 and some unknown accused person committed that type of sweep pipes. On receipt of the complaint, we have registered a FIR and after the various efforts, after collected the intelligence, we have arrested the 3 accused persons, namely Sachin Salman Ali, resident of Chandor, one Mr. Shivraj Yadav, resident of UP, and Mr. Ubaid Tabib. All 3 accused persons, along with one more accused, they have committed the crime and they have sold the stolen pipes to Mr. Abdul Qadri. We have arrested the receiver also. Apart from this, we also attached the 2 rickshaws which were used for transportation of the stolen pipes and one crushing machine of both of these 3 legs which was used for the crushing of these pipes. And we have attached the 30 kg of crushed plastic. The accused are presently in police remand and further investigation of this case is in progress.
How many days remand they have taken?
Salman Ali was remanded in 7 days police custody and this Ubaid and Abdul, they are remanded in 2 days police custody.
Do you think that they are involved in other crimes?
During interrogation, they have already admitted that they have committed in the Walpur jurisdiction of Walpur police station.
चोरपा खातीर वापरिल्ल्यो 2 रिक्षा पुलिशेन जप्त केल्यात. त्या दोनूय रिक्षांचो विमो सोंपला जाल्यार एका रिक्षाचो फिटनेस परवानो सोंपिल्ल्याची म्हायती आसा. चोरयेक वापरिल्ल्यो दोनूय रिक्षा गोंयकारांच्याच नांवार आसात. एक रिक्षा दिवचल RTO कार्यालयांत नोंद केल्या ताचो विमो आनी फिटनेस परवानो 10 वर्सां पयलींच सोंपला जाल्यार दुसरी रिक्षा मडगांव RTO कार्यालयांत नोंदणी केल्या ताचोय विमो मार्चांत सोंपला.